Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our new show, NDI in 2 minutes. In this series of videos, we're going to talk about the latest developments about NDI, notable installs of NDI in the region, and some real-world applications that you can also apply in your projects or in your video production. All in less than 2 minutes, because we know that you're busy and you probably have an attention span of a goldfish. What? Anyhow, welcome to our introductory episode where we kick off our series with a brief talk about what NDI is. Ready? Timer starts now. NDI stands for Network Device Interface, and this technology was developed and introduced by NewTek to the public during the IPC show of September 2015. And since then, we've been getting a lot of updates from NewTek for this technology, and the last update was released last March 2020, and it was called NDI 4.5. Put it simply, this is how NDI works. You have your video source, and then that gets transmitted to your IP network, and then that's being taken by your production system. So for instance, in your live production setup, from your source side, you might have a camera that has a native NDI or NDI HX support, and that gets transmitted through a single Ethernet cable. Or you might have another camera, SDI or HDMI camera, and then you use a converter to encode that to NDI. And then on your production side, you have your, say, a TriCaster system or other video system or a software-based system that supports NDI as its source, and then you can do the switching from there. So what are the benefits? Number one, you can use your existing network infrastructure to send and receive your video signal over your IP network, which means number two, you can use virtually any source. You can have SDI camera or HDMI source, or maybe your laptop screen, or maybe your computer's output, or your gaming console. You can use virtually any source that you want to use in your live production. The third one, since it's a standard, it's totally brand agnostic. And there are a lot of manufacturers out there that are developing their products with NDI technology in it. Options, options, options! There are a lot more benefits to using NDI, but sadly I only got 2 minutes from our producers. Time? There you go, I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in our next episode next week. Ciao!